Welcome to a new episode of Vote for Change, the series where we look at ideas posted by users around the world. Our goal is, as usual, to get increased number of votes so we get Microsoft's attention and hopefully make change in the platform. The following idea is brought to us by Fredrik Engsets. He is a Dynamics consultant and he writes the following: display recipient names and email addresses in the to recipient field for the email entity. And he also has a link here to the blog. And what he means by this is actually quite a really nice read. So read through this blog, but this is actually summarized in two very, very simple images. So as we all know, when working with emails within Dynamics, this bit of information right here doesn't give us a lot of info. Because we can see the accounts here, we can see the contacts, but as we all know, when we work in large organizations, a single name is not unique. Names can be repetitive, of course, and also the same person can be in a different organization in different places, not incorrect data. I mean, that could just be the correct data. And at this given time, like in this case, Jim Glynn, I have no idea what account Jim Glynn represents because I can't see his email address. Of course, I could click and maybe even hover over it, but I visually can't see it quickly. Within customer service, this actually does occur a lot because customer service works within these emails. Maybe not as much for sales directly, but being in customer service, having these emails tracked in, that's kind of key. So what he then is suggesting, well, why don't we just display the email addresses too? Which is brilliant, yet so simple. I mean, this is great. This does give us a lot of information. And again, so it doesn't have to be that it always has to be on, but maybe if we can have a toggle somewhere for system settings saying that we want to have this active, that would be great. So I thought this idea was really cool. He does write a lot about it in his blog, step-by-step guide on how to do this by JavaScript. So if you are not scared from JavaScript, have a crack at it. But as an idea, I really think this is interesting. I mean, it's not like I would go out of my way and say that this is the most important thing in Microsoft history, but it is one of those things, like a tiny little adjustment is going to make a big difference because it does give a value. So the dice. For this idea, the idea itself is not life-threatening, so I'm just going to put a 4 on that one. But I will give it a strong 6 for your enthusiasm around the topic, Fredrik, because I actually really, really like the blog, and I'm pretty sure that I will be implementing the JavaScript until we hopefully someday have a toggle in system settings saying, do you want to view email addresses as well as the names? And I would say, yes, I would love that. So everyone else, head on over to the ideas. Very simple, as we always say, click the vote button. There we go. Now we're up to 2 votes. Let's see if we can get this thing to rocket up. Thank you so much. Stay tuned and don't forget, don't forget to vote, and have a great day. Bye.